Absolute Sweat provides a free app on the Apple App Store and Android Store. Install the app, open the product packaging, scan the QR code on the product's back, or enter the MAC address in the app to pair your phone with Absolute Sweat. After the connection is established, the app will also provide operational instructions, guiding users on the correct way to wear the Absolute Sweat. Inside the Absolute Sweat charging case, there is an intermediate plate that helps users precisely align the product with the Absolute Sweat sticker. Users only need to flip the Absolute Sweat product in the box, peel off the Absolute Sweat sticker, use the intermediate plate to press the product onto the sticker, achieving a perfect fit. Place the product on the chest and select the desired workout in the mobile app to start the workout. It is crucial to ensure an adequate amount of sweating during the workout, with the sweat entering the Absolute Sweat sticker so that Absolute Sweat can collect data. After completing the workout, Absolute Sweat will provide a comprehensive workout report, including data on the composition of sweat during the workout and an energy replenishment plan for the user.